In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva. There was an issue on our end. If Canva suddenly shows the message, there was an issue on our end while you're editing, downloading, or opening a project, it can be really frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of important work. The good news is that this error usually means there's a temporary connection or browser related problem, not that your design is gone. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to check whether the issue is coming from Canva itself or from your browser, and then how to fix the most common causes step by step. First, open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. This is Canva's official status page, and it shows whether their main services are working normally. Pay attention to areas like the editor, site performance, and media delivery. If you see outages or disruptions there, the problem is likely on Canva's side, so the best thing to do is wait a little and try again later. If everything shows as operational, then the issue is probably isolated to your device or browser session. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. In many cases, this error happens because old or corrupted site data is interfering with Canva's ability to load properly. In Chrome or a similar browser, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, then select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. This won't delete your Canva designs since those are stored in the cloud, but it can remove the local files that are causing the conflict. After that, temporarily disable your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or translation add-ons, can interfere with Canva's scripts and stop the editor from connecting correctly. Click the extensions icon near the top right of your browser and switch off any active extensions for the moment. Then reload Canva and see if the problem is gone. If the error is still showing, open a new incognito or private window. This helps bypass account session conflicts and old login data. Go to canva.com in that private window and sign in again to your main account. Then open your recent design and check whether it loads normally. Finally, return to Canva and do a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to pull a fresh version of the page from Canva's servers. Once the page reloads, check for the All Changes